Hi, today I'm going to be unboxing the Bonnie Spring Rain hanging card doll. She was available during the crowdfunding for the Bonnie Series 2. I got her through the Modian crowdfunding with a full set of the Bonnies. First off, I really love the packaging for her. This is so cute. She's got like the frog theme with the green and the little frog on her galoshes and umbrella, and it looks like you can see a rainy scene back here with some lily pads and some cute little frogs details. That's the front, and here is the back, and I'm going to start up with opening it. There's just a few spots with tape on it to pop off. I was hoping the tape would just peel off, but it's really hard, stuck on there, really hard to pry off. So I'm just going to use a little backing from a file to pry into it. So yeah, I'm just using the nail file like it's a letter opener almost to get in there and open them. Oh, this one's tearing a little more. And I really don't want to scratch or scrape the packaging because it's really cute and it's easy to just reassemble her to put back in for display and storage. And the stickers are sort of peeling off. Thankfully they're not taking any of the imagery with them. So all the tape's off, and I can just pry open the back. And the card just comes right out. And there's here she is. Get a little coat on. I love that the buttons of the raincoat are actually sewn down. It Velcro's on. I wonder if her hood fits over. The hood seems kind of small. Oh, to fit. Maybe it just needs to open a little more. Yeah, I don't think the hood will actually fit over her hair, but it is cute. I take the little raincoat, or take the little raincoat off. One can see her cute dress underneath with the pink and green. These little buttons are not sewn on. They're just glued on. But the bows down here are sewn on at least. She's got little dark green bloomers. This is just Velcroed on. Here's a close-up of her eyes. You can see they're green and pink. She's got like a little flower in the center for her pupil. And I like the style of her eyebrows. I think the fading from the pink to the green is done really nicely. And I really like how it fades in the back here. She's got a good amount of the green. And And we can put some of the other accessories on her, like her ears. Get those out. Put her little boots on. And her ears have a nice pink to the fluff at the bottom. For the season 1 Bonnies, I liked how much more you could pose their ears with having the ball socket, but the magnets are nice too for being able to just have the hairpiece without the ears on. And the ears do have a little bit of a slope to them, so you can kind of make them sit at a different angle when you switch which side they're on. So the one side they're more up straight, the side they're tilting out a little more. Get her shoes on. They go on a lot easier than I thought they would. Or at least the first one did. Okay, there we go. Takes a little bit of posing to get them to stand, but they will stand on their own. It's still, since they are top heavy with their head, it's good to have a stand for them. And I think it's really fun that she has 2 different face plates. So she's got like the kind of neutral smiling here, and then the very big, cute smile. I'll switch them out. And here on the inside of the hair, you can see the inner magnets. And there she is with her more excited face on. And then here's her little umbrella. I've seen her posed with like holding her arm out with the umbrella on it. So let's see if we can. And here she is with a pretty simple pose with the umbrella. I really love her overall look. She's just so cute. Personally, I'm a little bit more of a fan of the more humanoid bodies for the bunnies, but the Series 2 bodies with the more animal-like feet do provide a lot more stability for standing and posing. And her shoes do give her a little bit more stability, but I would still display her using a stand and not just standing on her own to avoid any kind of like falls or accidents. But yeah, overall, I really love her, and I'd love to hear what you think. Let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts that you'd like to share about the Spring Rain Bonnie. Okay, thanks for watching.